Majestic Radios was an American radio brand from 1927 to 1955, trademarked as the Mighty Monarchs of the Air. Noted for their high quality, they were initially manufactured by the Grigsby-Grunow Company of Chicago. After Grigsby-Grunow's demise in 1934 during the Depression, the radios were produced by Majestic Radio and Television in the 1930s-1940s. Following Majestic Radio and Television's liquidation in 1949, Majestic-brand radios were made by a division of Wilcox-Gay at their Michigan factory. Before embarking on radio manufacturing, the Grigsby-Grunow Company had started in 1921 as a maker of automotive accessories in Chicago, co-founded by Bertram James Grigsby and William Carl Grunow. With the growing popularity of the new commercial broadcasting radio medium in the prosperous 1920s, there was increasing consumer demand for better console radios suitable for the living room or parlor of affluent households. In 1927, Grigsby-Grunow began making Majestic radios featuring dynamic speakers with moving coils and advanced circuitry employing screen grid tubes for improved reception. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.